Welcome to another Windows 10 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find the model number for your Windows 10 laptop. Whether you're looking to upgrade your RAM or do some research on your device's hardware, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the Windows Start button. Simply click on it and then type System Information. You should see it appear in the search results. Click on it to open. Once you're in the System Information window, navigate to System Summary. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about your computer, including the manufacturer. The model number is right here, and you'll also see the system type. Look for the System SKU information. This is essentially your laptop's model number. Jot down this information, as it will be crucial for future reference. To find more details about your laptop, take the manufacturer and model information you gathered and Google it. As you can see in the search results, you'll get information such as the exact computer, SKU, and other details. This is valuable if you want to know more about the hardware or even compare product. And there you have it. That's how you find the model number for your Windows 10 laptop. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. For more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.